In this video, what we are going to look at is speed issues, how we can resolve speed issues in the HG323DAC dual band ONT, and what are the possible reasons for such speed issues. Now, I am using a dual band ONT. It is an HG323DAC ONT connected to this PC. First, let's log into it. Here, the internet is already configured. When we check the status, we can see that the internet status is shown as UP. So this is a dual band ONT. As we know, it has two Wi-Fi bands. One is 2.4 GHz and the other is 5 GHz. When we face speed issues in such a dual band ONT, there are a few things we need to verify first. Before troubleshooting the speed issue, the first thing we need to verify is the planned speed we are using. For example, let's assume I'm using a 200 megabits per second plan. So, we need to check how much speed we are getting through 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and through 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Before that, the next thing we need to check is the LAN port of this ONT. We know that this ONT has two LAN ports, LAN 1 and LAN 2. Both are GE ports, meaning they support up to 1000 megabits per second. So first, if the status is up, we need to confirm whether the speed issue is only over Wi-Fi or if we are not getting speed even through the LAN port. In this case, I have connected this ONT through the LAN port. So first, let's check how much speed we are getting through the LAN port. For that, first go to the computer's adapter settings. In adapter settings, select the adapter that is connected to the ONT. Here, the first adapter is my Ethernet, connected to this ONT. It might show no internet access here. Click on Properties. In Properties, go to Internet Protocol version 4. Here it may be set as use the following IP address. If it is set like that, change it to obtain an IP address automatically. Then click OK, then OK again and close. After that, disable the adapter once and then enable it again. If we are not getting internet through LAN, the first thing to check is whether DHCP is enabled or disabled in the ONT. If DHCP is enabled, we don't need to manually assign an IP address to the adapter. If DHCP is disabled, only then we need to assign a static IP manually. Now let's check whether the internet is connected. Okay, now the IPv4 connectivity shows internet and status is up. Now let's check what speed we are getting. For that, open Google Chrome or any web browser and type speed test. You can use any speed test. Here I am using speed test by Ookla. Here we are checking the speed through the ONT's LAN port. We are checking through LAN because Wi-Fi is a wireless network and can have interference. The placement of the Wi-Fi router and other devices working on the same 2.4 GHz frequency can interfere with the signal. LAN is different as it uses a physical medium, cable. So checking LAN helps us understand whether the issue is only with Wi-Fi interference or if the actual speed itself is low. In my case, I'm getting around 92 to 94 megabits per second upload and download. So when you face a speed issue, first compare Wi-Fi and LAN speeds. If Wi-Fi speed is low, check whether LAN speed is proper. If LAN speed is good, then we can troubleshoot Wi-Fi settings. Now, even though LAN is working fine, I will also explain some Wi-Fi settings. Before that, go to Device Information under Status and check the ONT's software version. If it is outdated, update to the latest firmware available for that hardware version. After updating, the ONT will reboot. Then check speed again through LAN and Wi-Fi to see if there is improvement. Next, test on multiple devices. Check whether the issue is only on one device. For example, in Ethernet adapter settings, you can see the adapter speed. It may show 100 megabits per second. Similarly, check Wi-Fi adapter speed. Also check whether the device supports dual band and update drivers if needed. If unsure, test the Wi-Fi on other devices like mobiles or laptops to confirm whether the issue is device specific. So first, compare LAN and Wi-Fi speeds, then update firmware, then update device adapters or test with other devices. After that, go to WLAN settings to make some changes. In network settings, select 2.4 GHz first. Check channel width and channel number. Using a Wi-Fi analyzer, identify nearby networks and their channels. In 2.4 GHz, channel width options are 20 and 40 MHz. 20 MHz gives better coverage but lower speed. 40 MHz gives higher speed but lower coverage. Try setting it to 40 MHz and apply changes. Then reconnect and test speed. Next is channel number. By default, it is set to auto. Change it manually to a less crowded channel using a Wi-Fi analyzer. Non-overlapping channels like 1, 6 and 11 are recommended. Set one of them and test speed again. Similarly, in 5 GHz, set channel width to 80 MHz for higher speed. After that, check associated clients to see how many users are connected. If many users are connected, it may affect speed. You can change the Wi-Fi name, SSID, so only selected devices connect. Alternatively, create a new Wi-Fi using multiple AP option. In 2.4 GHz, go to multiple AP and enable AP1. Give a new SSID name like Test Wi-Fi. Apply changes. Then go to WLAN security and configure password if needed or keep it open for testing. Then bind this new Wi-Fi to the internet configuration and apply. Log out from ONT, connect to the new Wi-Fi and run speed test. Since this is a new Wi-Fi, there will be no other users, helping us identify if congestion was the issue. You can do the same for 5 GHz. If still no improvement, try resetting the ONT and reconfiguring everything. If still the issue persists, perform dial-up testing. You can dial from ONT side or OLT side. For ONT dial-up, change mode from route to bridge, apply. Then go to network settings and set up a new PPOE connection. Enter username and password and connect. Check speed during dial-up. If dial-up also shows low speed, like 10 to 20 megabits per second for a 100 megabit per second plan, contact ISP. To confirm, perform dial-up from OLT using the same VLAN. If OLT dial-up also shows low speed, definitely contact ISP. If dial-up gives correct speed but ONT configuration does not, try using a spare ONT and test. If issue persists, contact technical support and raise a ticket. So these are the main steps to troubleshoot speed issues.